Hi, I'm Tom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and print objects using the Silhouette Alta Plus 3D printer and the Silhouette 3D software. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon for notifications of future videos. When you register your Alta Plus printer with Silhouette, you get 25 free models. You can also download objects directly from their design store. If you don't already have Silhouette 3D installed on your computer, go to silhouetteamerica.com/setup and follow the steps to register your printer and download the software onto your Mac or PC. Open Silhouette 3D and navigate to the Store tab. This will open a web browser window with the Silhouette Design Store. Here you can browse hundreds of designs available for purchase. Today we're going to choose this cookie cutter design. Once the object has been purchased, it will appear in your library in Silhouette 3D. If it doesn't appear in your 3D Designs folder, press the Sync button and the software will update with your account's latest purchases. Find the design in your library and double-click it. This will open it in the editor panel. From here, you are able to resize to fit your use. You can also add shapes if necessary, however, as this is a pre-made design, we will keep it as is. Click on the 3D Print tab and scroll through the slice model to see how it will come together on the platform. You can see the amount of filament needed and the time it will take to print in the right-hand panel. Silhouette's PLA filament is food safe, however, to make sure it's nice and smooth, select the standard quality setting at the top of the 3D print panel. Ensure the platform tape is stuck well to the platform with no bubbles, and place the print platform to the base of the printer. When you're ready to print, click the print button and watch the printer come to life. First, it will pre-extrude a small amount of filament in the well. It will then proceed to print the object. If the print doesn't adhere well to the print platform, stop the process, pull off the print, and calibrate the printer using the setting in the 3D software. All that's required to calibrate is a piece of paper. Follow the prompts to achieve the ideal calibration. You want to be able to move the paper between the print head and the platform with some resistance but not too much. When the print is finished, leave it to cool for a few minutes before opening the door and taking out the print bed. Use a spatula tool to scrape the print off the platform. If it's stuck on too tightly, you may want to use a stronger tool, such as a metal spatula or a butter knife, to get under the print. Now you have an amazing cookie cutter. Top tip: you can find thousands of free 3D designs on websites such as Thingiverse and My Mini Factory, so you'll always be able to find what you need. This skull was downloaded from Thingiverse and imported into Silhouette 3D. To find more inspiration, head to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments below. See you soon for more videos.